Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to your channel of learning mathematics. How are you? I believe all of you are doing very well. Let's continue with that chapter of Understanding Quadrilaterals. If you remember last exercise, last video, we did some exercise questions, practice questions. Today also we are going to continue with the practice questions only. We'll be doing from, as I said, textbook of Progress Publishers. So these are the practice questions that I've picked up. So you can start solving these questions, and yes, you should always go for more textbooks to practice so that your concepts becomes more clear. These problems are not enough. You have to do more and more mathematics. The more problems you solve, the better you become, always. So alright then, welcome back once again, each and every one of you. Let's begin. If you still haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel and please do like the video also. Chalo na. Okay, alright then. Now this is question number 5 from that textbook of exercise 13.1. So I've written down the question, a simple question. I believe last exercise you have already studied well. Let's continue with this exercise, and as we proceed with the exercise, definitely yes, we will be revising a lot of stuff also. And today I'm going to give you a very important formula also, just like last time. Okay. This question is, for the given polynomials, write the names of all the sides and the diagonals. First one, it's a triangle. As we can see that we have 3 sides. So when you name the sides, it's always better to go in one direction, not randomly one here, one there, one there. No, that way the confusion will be always less. Mathematics, please do remember, be very systematic in your approach. Okay. So as I mentioned here, the sides AB, BC and CA. So I've taken this direction. You can do it in the other direction also, no problem, but fix it in one direction only so that you don't have to come back and then get confused. Diagonals, what were diagonals? Diagonals were sides, straight lines which we get by joining 2 opposite vertices, but here we can't, because I can't join AB. AB is already a side, so I can't join. I can't get any diagonals here. So that's why in a triangle there are no diagonals. That's a knowledge for you. Alright, simple thing. Second one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. I've already given you a formula on how to find out the diagonals also. Let's name the sides. I'll start from A. So again, I'll follow this direction only. So AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FA. Done? Now when you go for diagonals, always do remember diagonals. You see, I'll give you one example. Start with one point and fix on that. After that only you move to the next point. Not like, okay, one I'll draw here, this one also, chalo, testing, this one also. No, don't do like that. Be very systematic in your approach. What I mean is, see, the way I've written down the diagonals, I started with A. So AB I can't because it's the side itself. Fine, AC I can join, no problem. Then AD, then AE. So I started with A, I remained fixed at A. So for A, all options finished. After that, I moved on to B. So BC I can't, so I go for BD, BE, BF. Done. Then to the next point, C. So CE, CF. Done. But I can join CA also, but CA, AC, they are same. So I already have done it. So I'm not going to be repeating it again. Now when you go for D again, DA already done. So DE, no chance. Only option is DF, which is already written. After that, all the options are already over, because for E, EB, EC, EA already all done here. For F also, FD done already. FD or DF same, no? FC, FB all written here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 diagonals that we can draw. Of course, you can check using the formula also before you begin how many diagonals we can have. You can check those previous videos if you still haven't. Okay, please do learn from those previous videos. Lots of informations are given in that previous videos also. Alright. Okay, so, and the other questions I'll leave it to you. You can do it as your practice, because if we do all the questions for you, then definitely you're not going to be learning a lot. Alright, okay, next question, that is number 6 from the textbook. The question is, find the sum of the interior angles of the following polygons. First one, 1, 2, 8. So we have like 8 sides here, octagon or something like that, isn't it? What was the formula to find out the interior angle? Check, 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 check. Your notebook, check. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry, 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 hurry. What was the formula to find out the interior angles of a polygon? Sum of interior. Go back to the previous videos and learn from there. Okay, sum of interior angles of a polygon. Because if you still haven't, then what are you doing? Education is so important. Is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 degree. You remember that? Where n means the number of sides. So if you use that formula, what will we have? That will be, I'll write here, okay? That will be equal to n. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 sides. 8 minus 2 into 180 degrees. So that's going to be 6 into 180 degree. Multiplication, I believe all of you know. I'll do it directly. 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, 4 left, 6 1s are 6, plus 1, 10, plus 4, 10. So the total sum of interior angles of the first polygon given to us is 1080 degree, because it is a polygon of 8 sides. We use this formula. Okay, you can pause the video and write. Okay, fine then. Let's go to the next question, number B. Chalo, what is the diagram there? What is the figure there? What do we have there? Wow, it's something like a star shape. So, chalo, let's count the sides also. I'm not good in drawing, so I hope you don't mind. 1, 2, 3. Don't laugh. 4. Don't laugh. Okay. 5, 6. I'm terrible in drawing. 7. 8. Chalo, somehow shaping up. 8. Then again 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, what a star. What a star. So how many sides do we have here? 1, 2, I'll start from here. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sides to no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we have 12 sides. Formula 2 will be using the same. So sum of the interior angles of a polygon is how much? N minus 2 into 180 degrees. So what is the number of sides here? We have how many sides? 12 sides. So 12 minus 2 into 180 degrees. So that's going to be 10 into 180 degrees. So if you remember the formula, it is very easy, because you just have to remember the sides and use the formula. I mean, you just have to count the number of sides and use the formula, then finish, job done. 1800 degree. Alright, so I'm sure that the other questions you will be able to do. There are 2 more practice questions there, so please try that on your own. If you have any difficulties, please do let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video also, please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, alright then. So this is the second question. So similarly, you will be doing the other questions also. Just count the sides, put it in the formula, job finished. Alright, fine then. Let's go to the next practice question. Alright, so this is the next question, that is, if each interior angles of a regular polygon is 108 degree, find the number of sides of the polygon. So polygons are not given, only polygon only given. So how many sides? No idea. Find the number of sides, that is the question. But they have given regular polygon. What was the meaning of regular polygon? Regular polygon means it's a polygon which has, no matter how many sides it has, all the sides are same. That was meant by regular polygon. Remember, no? Go back to the previous videos and watch. So now the question is, each of the interior angles, that means just for example, just an example. Suppose our polygon was like this. Something like, example only. So what they are saying is that each of the angle is 108 degree, because it's a regular polygon. So each of the angle is 108 degrees, something like that. Now they are telling you, with the help of this knowledge, find the number of sides. How many sides do we have in the polygon? How many sides do we have in the polygon? I'm going to rub this, because this is not the polygon that is given to us. I'm just giving an example. That is, if each interior angles of a regular polygon is 108 degree, find the number of sides of the polygon. Very easy. Now what do we do here? We don't have any formula for this. How do we calculate? Yeah, that's why I am here. I'll give you a very special formula, as I promised. Okay? Always remember this forever. Alright? You can give it to your elder brothers or sisters also. Yay! See? Come, I'll teach you. Right. See, this is the formula to find out only for a regular polygon. Okay, in case of a regular polygon, you can use this formula to find out the number of sides of the given polygon. That's why I am here. That is, I'll give you. You can write down interior angle is equal to 180 into n minus 2 divided by n, where of course remember n means what? We always know what is this? Number of sides, but that we don't know, so we have to find out that. You will need a little bit of calculation here, but class 7, 8 algebra also you must have already done by now, so I think that calculation won't be a problem. If necessary, you can let me know. I can start another chapter on class 8 also, again algebraic expressions also. So this is the formula, very important. So with the help of this formula, we will be finding the number of sides. With the help of this formula, we will be, or we can modify this, that is like this, interior, and modification we can do, interior angles into n. This will be easier for you to calculate, 180 into n minus 2. This might also be easy for you, because we don't know n, okay? So anyone, because this is same formula only. Alright, so let's use this formula. Got it now? Use this formula. So what is the interior angle? Each interior angle is how much? 108 degree into n, and this is 180 into n minus 2, but n we don't know, so n we have to find out using algebra only. So let's multiply. So 108n is equal to 180 into n will be 180n minus 180 into 2 will be 360 degree. This one upai nahi. Okay, upai nahi hai, we have to calculate. So for this you will need the knowledge of algebra solution. So now 180 I'll bring on this side. So in that case this will become negative. 108n minus 180. Nah? And this is minus 360 degree. Now 180 minus 108, how much will that be? If you subtract 180 minus 108, 72n is equal to minus 360. But 180 is bigger to 108, and 180n has minus sign, so negative sign will be there. You know that, isn't it? All these things I guess you know. Yes or no? Alright, so now our job is what? What are we trying to find out? N. What is n? Number of sides. Now again, by algebra method, what I will do is, if I want to find out n, what I will do is I will divide both the sides by minus 72 minus 72. You have already done this, class 7 also done. Okay, so minus 72 minus 72 cancel. Nah? Minus we can cancel, so n will be equal to 360 divided by 72. So if you divide 72 by 360 degree, we know that 72 into 5s are 5 2s are 10, 1 left, 5 7s are 35, plus 1 36. So 72 1s are 72, 72 5s are not degree, sorry, 1 is equal to what? 5. So that polygon which we have is given to us is how much? It has how many sides? N equal to 5 sides. So this is a formula which you can use to easily calculate your solutions. Okay, alright, let's move to the next question. Okay, the next question that is given to us is this one, that is, if the sum of all the total of all the interior angles of a polygon is 2340 degree, find a number of sides in the polygon. Here also find a number of sides. What was the difference with this question and the previous question? Remember, previous question, sum of all the interior angles was not given. What was given was each interior angle was given, not the sum. Here, sum of all the interior angles is given. Sum of all interior angles of the polygon is given. Total is given. With the help of this, we will find out the number of sides. But we know, today first question we did, sum of all, second question I mean, interior angles of a polygon is given by what formula? N minus 2 into 180 degree. You remember that? So this is the formula that is given. Sum of all the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. And what they say is that this value is how much? 2340. So in that case, what will happen is, that means we will put this here. So that will be, okay, I'll wrap this question. Okay, that will be better for me. Finished with that question too. These are good questions. So that means sum of all the interior angles. What is the formula? N minus 2. We are not supposed to find out the sum. So whenever the total is given and then you are supposed to find out the missing values, you will have to use this kind of conditions. So sum of all interior angles is given, already given. You don't have to find out. With this knowledge, you have to find out the number of sides. So it's 2340, but we know that sum of all interior angles formula is what? N minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay? So now we will use this knowledge and calculate n. What is n? Number of sides. Written? You can pause the video and write. Okay. So now let's calculate this and simplify. So I'll divide again both sides by 180 degree. You can cross multiply also. Okay. So 180 finish, and this one 0 0. So that's n minus 2. No need to bracket. N minus 2 equal to, now 18 divided by 234. 234 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 5, 11, 54. 18 3s are 54. So this is 13. So n, I need n. N equal to minus 2. I'll take it on the other side. So in that case it becomes plus 2. We all know that. So n is equal to 15. So this time we have 15 sides. So the polygon that whose sum of the interior angles was given as 2340 is how many sides? Is having how many sides? 15 sides. Okay, na? Alright then, let's move to the next question, number 9. Alright, in the next question that we have is this. Number 1. Find the value of x. What is x? Missing angle. First one is a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Always remember one thing. I'll give you another formula again. That is sum of angles. Sum of angles in a quadrilateral is always 360 degrees. This is a universal formula. No need to use any formulas for this. Sum of all the angles, interior angles of a quadrilateral is always how much? 360 degrees. So if we add this 4 angles, that is x plus 80 degree plus 100 degree plus 65 degree, we should get how much? 360 degree. And with this knowledge, I have to find out the missing value of x. Very easy. So that is x plus, add this how much? 100, 180. 245 is equal to 360 degrees. 245 equal to 360 degrees. So x equal to 360. 245 plus 245. I'll take it to the other side, minus 245. So this will be, if we just subtract, I think subtraction you know, so I'm not going to show you all those subtraction details and all. So this will be 5, 4, 5, 1. So 115 degrees. Simple as that. 115 degree. Okay? Okay? Chalo. Pause the video and write down. Alright? Fine then. I'm wrapping it up. Let's move to the next question. That is number B. Now B, have you been watching the previous videos? If not, please, I'll provide you the link below in the description below. Please go back and watch those videos, especially the introduction videos and all. Okay, very, very important. Both the videos actually, important knowledges are given. Because here, what are these angles called? I'll not be repeating again. Please go back and watch the previous video. What are these angles called? These are what? Exterior angles, outside angles. And I've described very clearly what are exterior angles. Please go back and watch the video. So exterior angles. So there again we have learned one formula, that is what? Sum of exterior angles of a polygon. I cannot repeat the topic every time, so you have to go back, and that's why the videos are provided. You can watch it anytime. That's the one advantage of YouTube. So sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon, exterior angles only, not interior. Exterior angles is how much? 360 degrees. So if we just add x plus 115 degree plus 105 degree, I'm not writing down a degree, is equal to 360 degree. Chalo, you must be thinking, okay, no problem. X plus, add this, how much are we going to get? 115, 200, 220, 280 degree minus, equal to 360 degree. So x will be equal to 360 degree minus 280 degrees. So that will be how much? 80 degree. So the missing value of x is 80 degree. Got it? Okay? Write it down quickly. And I prepared the next question for you, that is number C. This is also a quadrilateral. You can prepare the next question. Hurry. So this is, okay, 3x minus 10. This is 4x. This is, we will not be naming the angles, so edges are not very important for us at the moment. And this is x plus 50. Okay. J, K, L, M. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we call that? A quadrilateral. Question number 1, I already gave you sum of all the angles. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is also how much? 360 degrees. So same idea we're going to be using. So if we just add 4x plus 3x minus 10 plus x plus 50 plus 2x plus 20, their total should be how much? 360 degree. I'm not writing on the brackets, okay, because we'll be just adding to finding the total only. If you have to subtract, then yes, brackets are important, but when you're just adding, then it will not change any signs and all. So that's why I'm not writing on the brackets. So this plus this plus this plus this quadrilateral total angle should be 360. Now let's add the like terms. 4x plus 3x, 7x, plus 1x, 8x, plus 2x, 9, 10, 10x. This one, 50 plus 20, 70. 70 minus 10, 60. Plus 60, because 50 plus 20 is plus 70, plus 70 minus 10, 60, because 70 is bigger. This is equal to 360 degrees. So that is 10x equal to 360 degree minus 60 degree goes to the other side, 60 degree. So that is 10x equal to 300 degrees. So 10x will divide by 10. 300 divided by 10, 10, 10. So x is how much? 30 degrees. Pita? 30. Okay, na? Alright, let's move to the next question. Pause the video there. Chalo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a different question. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Now, this is a very different question, a very good question, of course. Why? Did you see anything that is different here in this particular question? Of course, we have to find out x, but where is x? X is inside or outside? Check. Inside or outside? X to inside. Whereas the angles that are given to us are outside. Now, how do we find out this? Yeah, it's okay, I'm there now. What we will do is, directly we cannot. Directly we cannot, so we will have to innovate. What I'll do is, okay, before that we will need one knowledge, that is, do you know what is the total angle of a straight line? How much? Yes, don't tell me that, sir, we don't know, we have never done class 6, 7 and all, we have already done this, come on, yeah. 180 degrees. So if I just break this straight line into two parts, one angle x, one angle y. So how many angles we have? We have two angles. But still then, total though x plus y combined will be what? 180 degree only. Now, because that straight angle only we are breaking into two parts. That idea we will be needing. That concept we will be requiring. Don't forget, okay? Now by that what I mean is, since all the exterior angles only are given, I will have to first find out the last exterior angle that is left for us. I'll name it as y. Okay, and once I find y, you see these two angles सीधा straight line, so their total will be 180 degree. By that time I will know the value of y, so x I can easily find out. Okay, so let's begin. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon. How much? 360 degree. Don't forget to write this as y, okay? Because if your diagram is perfect, no need to mention anything special. We can directly write down if the diagram is perfect. So that's going to be y plus 80 degree plus 70 plus 60 plus 80, 360 degree. So x, not x, y plus, how much will be this? 80, 80, 160, 220, 290. 290 degree equal to 360 degrees. So y will be how much? 360 degree minus 290 degrees. So that will be how much? 290, 70 degrees. So the value of y that we have here is how much? 70 degree. Of course, that is not the answer. I know. But as I said, we need to find out the value of y. So y is equal to what? 70 degree. Got it? Done now? Rubbing it off. Pause the video there. Write down. Chalo. Now to find out x, you don't have to write too many things. You can just write, we know, this will be enough. Okay? We know x plus y is equal to 180 degree. In bracket, if you wish to write, you can just write down straight line or straight angle. Straight line or straight angle. Teacher will understand. Don't worry about that. Okay? You should just give the idea to the teacher that you know what you're doing. Then, of course, I'm sure that the teacher will definitely understand. So, we know that x plus y is a straight line or a straight angle. So, that's why the total is going to be 180 degree. No doubt about that. So, in that case, x plus y is 70 degree is equal to 180 degrees. So, x will be 180 plus 70 goes to the other side minus 70. So, this will be equal to 110 degrees. So the value of x that we have here is how much? 110 degree. So my dear children, I hope you have liked the video. Please do share and do subscribe and do like the video also, and do let me know in the comment section below how you find all these videos. Okay my dear children, so stay safe, wear your mask, always be careful. Okay, alright then, I'll see you with the next video with the next topic. Okay, till then, bye bye.